Hi all, this is Anil Padakanti. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing in this company. My company name is Universal Water Chemicals Private Limited. We are manufacturers and suppliers of water and wastewater treatment chemicals, plants and service providers. Coming to our industry, water and wastewater treatment plants means we supply softener plants, RO plants, ETP plants and STP plants. Our company started in 2006, so based on Hyderabad. We have branches in Bangalore, Pune, Vizag, Vijayawada, Chittoor. Our company started in 2006. We are completed 17 years in this year. So we supply to all major industrial customers. We have all major industrial customers. We supply to all industries, all type of industries like water treatment chemicals for boiler and cooling tower, ETP and STP chemicals. We do descaling services also, like boiler descaling services, chiller descaling services, and more than 1500 plus customers. We are catering to more than 1500 plus customers in 4 south states. Thank you.